Ito pa rin ang ating Project SOAR, series of online academic reviews of mathematics CLAID learning modules. Munting paalala po para sa ating mga learners, home learning partners, at sa lahat. Please do not forget to follow our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po! At ngayon naman, tapos na tayo sa grades 1 to 3. Dadako na tayo sa grade 4. Kaya mga grade 4 students, math handa na! Ipapakilala ko na ang ating presenter ngayong araw na ito. Siya ay nagtapos sa Romblon State College at isa siyang grade 4 math teacher ng Addition Hills Integrated School. Siya ay walang iba kundi si Teacher Vanessa Ruga.
Thank you, ma'am. Bago tayo magsimula, nais ko munang batiin ang ating SDS, Dr. Romela M. Cruz, sa ating ASDS, Dr. Aurelio G. Alfonso, sa ating CID Chief, Dr. Allen Mendoza, sa ating SGOD Chief, Ma'am Emma Aruvio, sa ating masipag na Math Supervisor, si Resty Rodelas, sa aming PSDS in Charge, Dr. Marby Duran, sa aming maganda at masipag na Principal, Ma'am Gigi G. Bulyanday, sa lahat ng mga guro sa Mandaluyong, lalong-lalo na sa mga guro sa Addition Hills Integrated School na pinangungunahan ng aming ASTPN Elementary, Ma'am Yelea Solomon, sa aming Math Coordinator, Sir Mario Saraos, sa aming mga magulang na nagsisilbing home learning partners, lalong-lalo na sa mga Batang MANDunong, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Samahan niyo po, tayo ng mag-aral, tayo ng Math-tuto para maging math talino. Good afternoon, parents and learners. Welcome to our Project SOAR, series of online academic review for mathematics CLAID learning modules. I am Vanessa Ruga, a teacher in Addition Hills Integrated School, and I am your teacher for week 4, grade 4 mathematics.
Here are our lessons in our CLAID learning modules for week 4. Changing improper fractions to mixed numbers and vice versa. Changing fractions to lowest forms. Here are the objectives. Changes improper fractions to mixed numbers and vice versa. Changes fractions to lowest form. Let us have a review in identifying fractions. Number 1. What kind of fraction is 1 and 2/4? Very good. 1 and 2/4 is mixed number. Number 2. What kind of fraction is 13/10? Correct. 13/10 is improper fraction. Number 3. What kind of fraction is 1 and 2/3? Correct. 1 and 2/3 is mixed number. Number 4. How about 1/2? Very good. 1/2 is proper fraction. Number 5. 4/8. Correct. 4/8 is proper fractions. It seems that we are now ready with our lesson. Let's go now in changing improper fraction to mixed numbers and vice versa. Let's have example 1. Mother prepares a birthday present to her daughter. She bought 10/4 parts of chocolate cake. How many chocolate cakes does she bought? Let us now analyze the word problem by answering the following questions. First, what kind of fraction is 10/4? Correct. 10/4 is improper fraction. Second, what is asked in the problem? Very good. The problem is asking for the number of whole cakes she bought. And how do you solve for the answer? Let's change this fraction into mixed fraction to find the number of the whole cake, and let's use the two strategies. We can use the following strategies. Strategy 1, using illustration. So here are the 10/4 part of chocolate cake. Each cake is divided into 4 to show 4 parts of the cake. First cake is divided into 4, so we have 4/4. Second cake is also divided into 4, so we also have 4/4. Next, the third cake is divided into 4, but mother gets only 2/4 of the cake. So in all, we have 4 plus 4 plus 2 is equals to 10/4 of the cake. 4/4 or 1 whole plus another 4/4 or 1 whole of the cake plus 2/4 of the cake is equals to 2 and 2/4. Therefore, there are 2 and 2/4 whole cakes both by mother. Next is strategy 2, using the following steps. We have here 10/4. First step is divide the numerator to its denominator. We can rewrite it horizontally as 10 divided by 4, or we can rewrite it like this. Let's start. 4 divided by 10 is 2. Isulat ang 2 sa taas ng 10. Then, multiply 2 times 4 is equals to 8. Isulat ang 8 sa baba ng 10. Next, subtract 10 minus 8 is equals to 2. Write down 2. Step 2. The remainder 2 becomes the numerator of the fraction. Step 3. The quotient 2 becomes the whole number. And step 4. The divisor 4 will be the denominator. Therefore, there are 2 and 2/4 whole cakes both by mother. Let's have example 2. How about if mother bought 2 and 2/5 parts of chocolate cake? How many fifths does she bought? Let us first have strategy 1 using illustration. Let us show first the 2/5 parts of the cake. So we have here 1 whole and 1 whole and 2/5 parts of chocolate cake. So 1 whole plus 1 whole plus 2/5 is equals to 2 and 2/5. 1 whole cake is divided into 5 parts, so we have 5/5. Another 1 whole cake is divided into 5 parts, we have another 5/5. Next is 2/5 parts of the cake. So as you can see, there are 2 shaded parts of the cake. So if we add all the numerators, 5 plus 5 plus 2, we can have 12/5 of the cake in all. Therefore, there are 12/5 cakes bought by mother. Now, let's have strategy 2 using the following steps. First, let us write 2 and 2/5. First step, multiply the whole number and the denominator. So, let us multiply 2 times 5 is equals to 10. Step 2, then add the product to the numerator. So let's add 10 plus 2 is equals to 12. Step 3, the sum becomes the numerator. Step 4, retain or copy the denominator. Therefore, there are 12/5 cakes bought by mother. Mga bata, Sabay-sabay nating sagutan ito. Write the improper fraction and mixed numbers suggested by the picture. Number 1. What is the answer? Very good. 13/5 or 2 and 3/5 is correct. Number 2. What is your answer? Very good. 9/2 or 4 and 1/2 is correct. How about number 3? What will be your answer? Good job. 9/4 or 2 and 1/4 is the answer. Remember, to change improper fraction to mixed number, follow the steps. A. Divide the numerator to its denominator. B. The remainder becomes the numerator of the fraction. C. The quotient becomes the whole number. D. The divisor will be the denominator. Then, to change improper fraction to mixed number, follow the steps. A. Multiply the whole number and the denominator. B. Then add the product to the numerator. C. The sum becomes the numerator. And D. Retain or copy the denominator. Let's go now in changing fractions to lowest forms. Let's have example 1. A mother bought a box of cake. She gave 4/8 of the cake to her daughter and 1/2 of the cake to her son, who received the bigger part of the cake. Let us analyze the problem by answering the following questions. First, what did mother buy? Correct. Mother buy a box of cake. What part of the cake is given to her daughter? Very good. 4/8 parts of the cake was given to her daughter. How about to her son? What part of the cake was given? Excellent. 1/2 parts of the cake was given to her son. Next, what is asked in the problem? Good job. The problem is asking for who received the bigger part of the cake. Next, how will you solve the problem? To solve the problem, we must follow the steps. Let's have method 1 using models or illustration. Let us visualize 4/8 part of the cake. The cake is divided into 8 parts and 4 parts of it is shaded. So we have 4/8. Another cake is divided into 2 to show 2 parts of the cake. One part of it is shaded to show 1/2. As you can see, the fraction 4/8 is as big as 1/2. So, 1/2 is the lowest term of 4/8. Next is method 2, by finding the GCF or the greatest common factor of 4 and 8. Then divide both the numerator and the denominator by their GCF. The factor of 4 are 2 times 2. The factors of 8 are 2 times 2 times 2. The GCF is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Therefore, the GCF is 4. The GCF of 4 and 8 is 4. Dividing the numerator and the denominator by 4, you will get 4/8 divided by the GCF 4/4 is equals to 4 divided by 4 is equals to 1. 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2. Therefore, 1/2 is the lowest term of 4/8.
Let's have method 3. Get the prime factorization of its numerator and denominator. Then, cancel the pairs of the common factors. Whatever factors that are left in the numerator and denominator become the numerator and the denominator of the simplified fraction. We have 4/8 is equals to, the factor of 4 is 2 times 2, over the factor of 8, 2 times 2 times 2. Let us now cancel the pairs of common factors. Let us cancel 2, 2 in the numerator and 2, 2 in the denominator. So, 1 times 1 is equals to 1, 1 times 1 times 2 is equals to 2. Take note, if all the factors of either the numerator or denominator are cancelled, that means the common factor left is 1. Therefore, the lowest term of 4/8 is 1/2.
Mga bata, sagutan natin ito. Maaaring kumuha ng papel at panulat. Fill in the boxes with the correct numerator or denominator to make the fractions equivalent. Let's have number 1. 3/9 is equals to blank thirds. What is the missing numerator? Very good. The answer is 1. Next, number 2. 13 over 52 is equals to 1 over blank. What is the answer? Good job. 4 is correct. Number 3. 8/10 is equals to blank fifths. What is the missing number? Correct. The answer is 4. Next, number 4. 15 over 21 is equals to 5 over blank. What is the missing denominator? Excellent. 7 is correct. Number 5. 25 over 100 is equals to 1 over blank. What is your answer? Definitely correct. 4 is the answer. Before I end my discussion for today, remember, simplifying a fraction means reducing fraction to its lowest term. To simplify a fraction, divide the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common factor or use models or illustrations.
That's all for today. Sana ay may natutunan kayo sa araw na ito. Again, ako po si Teacher Vanessa, ang inyong Math 4 reviewer for Week 4. Maraming salamat. Paalam!